Hello, my dear honorable teachers. Take my greetings at first. How are you? I hope you are hale and hearty. If you are a member of Shikhak Batayon, you need to know how to log in, view content, download, like, rate, and comment on Shikhak Batayon. Now I am going to show you such this works. So watch this video to the end. I believe that after watching the video, you can do these works properly. So my dear honorable teachers, before starting the main topic, I request you to subscribe my channel please. Let's get started. First of all, open your PC or laptop and connect with internet. Next, open a browser such as Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome and go to Google and write in the address bar www.teachers.gov.bd and press enter button from your keyboard. After a few seconds, you will see home page of Shikhak Batayon. Now put on your mouse pointer on content. Then you will see there are 11 types of contents. Next, you will see 3 types of institutions such as general, madrasa and technical. Now click on search these lines. From here you can see more options. Now if you are a member of Shikhak Batayon, click on login. Now I have clicked on login. Then you will see 2 boxes. One is email and other is password box. Now I am writing my email ID. And password. And click on this option. After a few seconds, you will enter into Shikhak Batayon. From here, you can upload and download the contents and everything. View content. If you want to see any kind of content, click on content first. Next, click on presentation. From here, you can see all types of presentation and the number of presentations. Now click on type menu and think what type of content do you want to see. Suppose general. After coming select all, you will select class. Such as 9. Next, select subject. Next, select chapter. And at last click on search option. Now wait a few seconds. From here you will see how many presentations are there. Now click on any presentation that you need and like. Now I have clicked on the content. After a few moments it will be opened. At the top of the page you will see owner of the content, content upload date, watching time, like, rating and comment. This is a small image of content. Now go down and see, here is a download option. From here you can download. Now go to the right side corner, then you will see pop out option. From here you can download. Before downloading the content you can see the content slide. For downloading I have clicked on download option. Then you will see a dialog box of save file. Now click on OK. After that, at your right side corner top of the page you will see download option. Now see, the content has been downloading. After downloading the content, click on the folder and see the content has been downloaded in C drive. Now do right click of your mouse and click on cut option and save the content any folder of your PC or laptop. Now open the content by double click and see. This is the content which I have downloaded just now. Dear honorable teachers, if you want to do like, click on like option. Now I have clicked on like option. Now if you want to rate the content, see 5 stars. Now click on any star that you have to give. Now I have clicked 4 stars. After rating, the color of the stars will be changed, such as blue color. Under it you will see opinion. If you want to give opinion about the content, click on the comment box and write. After writing your comment, click on reply. Now I have clicked on reply. Under it, you will see recent comments and your comment. In this way, you can log in, search the content, download the content, like and date, and at last comment. After all the things have been completed, you can log out. Now I have clicked on my picture and clicked on log out. After a few seconds, it will be logged out. So my dear teachers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now and do like, comment, and at last click on bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video up to end. May God bless you. Bye.